Hello everyone, my name is Izuchukwu Onswusonye. I am an author from Nigeria. I am the author of Life Seems Empty Without a Purpose, the author of You Are the Force Behind Your Success, the author of Single Life to Married Life, and the author of Tunde. Today I will be talking about the Hubbard's Writers of the Future online workshop. During the last year global lockdown, I was opportune to be part of this online workshop, which really enhanced my writing skills through the judges that taught me: David Farland, Austin Scout, and Tim Powers. I really thank you guys so much. You guys did wonderful jobs in my life. The online workshop really enhanced my writing skills. Today I am proud I can vividly talk about the 7 parts of a perfect story, starting from the character to the end. Honestly, this workshop is a nice one for any future writer to engage with, and I won't relent in recommending it to any future writer who wish to enhance his or her skills. Like today, I have my certificate, which I obtained last year, July 2nd. As you can see, my name is boldly written here and the date. So it's a very nice workshop for every future writer to partake in. You know, like David Farland will always say, you write while the idea is hot. You write with passion, you write with love. You write. Keep on writing. One day you will be a good writer. So I will urge anyone who is interested or anyone who wants to develop his or her writing skills to Google about Hubbard's Writers of the Future online workshop to be part of this great family. As you can see, I am happy to be part of this great family. Thank you so much, and God bless.